Yeah, Rick and Jen, this crowd of advocates is asking JCPS board members to pass a resolution affirming transgender rights, saying that they will not comply with Senate Bill 150. This is coming just one day after the ACLU of Kentucky asked a federal judge to put part of that same law on hold to comply with a case that's playing out in court.
What we're asking the court to do is to say, yes, doctors, families, you can go ahead and continue to receive the health care that's necessary for your child.
The ACLU of Kentucky wants to give trans youth more time to receive gender-affirming care before the state's ban is enforced this summer. On Monday, the nonprofit filed a motion in federal court for a preliminary injunction, which, if granted, would prevent Section 4 of Senate Bill 150 from taking effect on June 29th. It bans gender transition surgeries and procedures on minors. Republican Senator Lindsey Titchener supports the legislation passed earlier this year.
We're talking about altering a child's ability to mature the way that their body naturally should mature. If you start implementing puberty blockers, cross-sex hormones, or surgeries, you can't undo those things.
Senator Titchener says banning this form of health care is about protecting children. But ACLU attorney Corey Shapiro believes it violates the constitutional rights of transgender kids.
These are just great kids who want to just be who they are. And these parents just want to support their kids in whatever way they can.
Earlier this month, the ACLU filed a lawsuit in an effort to block the ban on gender-affirming care, arguing it unfairly singles out trans youth and violates parents' rights to make medical decisions for their children. The ACLU wants the injunction to delay the ban from going into effect until the nonprofit's case against the state is decided. The case includes claims from a number of parents that the ban would cause irreparable harm to their transgender children. But Senator Titchener and other supporters say it's important the bill takes effect next month as scheduled.
We need to let them grow and develop through that process, and they can make those decisions when they're adults.
In the coming weeks, both sides will file additional responses to the motion. It's unclear right now if the judge will have both parties make oral arguments before that ruling. Live outside the Van Hoos Education Center tonight, Madeline Carter, WLKY News.